Okay, my name is Israel Romero Perez. Travel Itinerary. Introduction of the Place. En Gigante Huila is a Colombia municipality located in the central edge of the department of Huila. It is part of the Andean region on the left bank of the Magdalena River between the Ice Cordillera and Cerro Matambo, with a temperature of 24 C and 860 meters of sea level, and the center of the Gigante Huila Park has an emblematic tree of a freedom books by Joe, while also finds emblematic building white architectural by law religious place such as the Garson Cathedral among hotels. Duration of the trip will be 3 days. Day 1. Friday tour of the municipality of Gigante Huila, knowing the architectural part of the municipality, and you will be learning the history of the municipality with a tour guide. Day 2. Saturday, a visit to the hang of Gigante as studied about 9 kilometers from the municipality, an emblematic place with a love of history and a favorite to take photos, and you will find many tourists are eating the delicacies of the region. Day 3. Before embarking on the return trip, for one pass through the place where you will be enjoying the typical food of the region, while the outer people will be sleeping after a delicious lunch. Means of transportation. The means of transport that are the most used for trains and taxis latitudes are bus, taxis, and individual from the area bus to go to the guide, and only country cars are used. Activity to do during the tourist can carry out the following activities: dance in nightclubs, dance and nightclubs, wars, throws the tree of freedom emblems of the municipality where you will find people from the area seeking acting hotels, trainings, and public walking tours the emblematic place to stay, hotels to start area. 1. Hotel House Dick Lemon. 2. Tree House Hotel. 3. Country Martini. Tropical Foods. The typical foods are sancocho, biscuits, de achira, roast horses with ice, a dish of roast pork, tamales, huilense, blanc, and worry the tourists at coming out coming to 3 restaurants all days to here. Cost. The cost of three per person is 2.500.000 pesos and 4 and party of 10 people and can be left Chapars host 2 millones per person. Thank you.